There's one quick thing about the previous lesson that I didn't like is I didn't color in the background here. And so when I blit over the top of it with my spaceship, it kind of left some trails that I didn't like. So I came back in here, I picked a color, black, and I just painted this black. I just had to hit it once, and all that's black, and I just saved it again, exported it as a PNG and put it back in that same place in the same file that my pygame was in. All right, so now when you run it, it uh, looks like this, and it's a lot slower than it was before. So what I would do is I would come in and I would change these x velocities. So at first I had it at 1, so now I changed it up to 4, -4, -4, and we could even, I'll change it up to 5, just 5, -5, -5, and 5. So now we're moving 5 pixels at a time rather than just 1. And there we go. That's looking a little bit better. We're getting around the maze pretty good. All right. So now we got those things taken care of. And so now um, what we're going to do is we want to worry about running into a wall. So as we're moving around, we want to see what color of the thing that we have come up to. So what I want to do is I'm going to print surface dot get at, and then I'm going to have this ship X and ship Y. And let's take a look and see what happens. Oops. It takes exactly one argument and two are given. So this needs to be a tuple. Put another set of parentheses. And here we go. Here, if you look down here, you can see it's black. And now when I move, I have this color, which is 238, 254, 26. Now that's important to remember. So I'm going to close out here. So now what we can say is if surface dot get at 238, 254, 26. Oh, this is actually at ship X, ship Y. Here we go. So if at this point it equals this. Now this last number, 255, we have an RGB and then we have alpha number C, how um, its opacity. If you don't leave that, I believe it works just the same. But let's say if we get here, we do pygame.quit. And now if we run it, it should be good. And when I hit the sides, the game ends. Now, the one thing to notice, and we'll fix this on the next time, is it's only concerned about the upper left-hand corner here. So as we go, it doesn't matter if our right side is under the yellow. It's just the upper left-hand corner that it will be concerned with.